Why does the UK consistently rank as one of the top destinations for international students? Perhaps it's the rich history, the diverse culture, or the high standard of education. Whatever the reason, it's clear that studying in the UK is a dream for many. But before you pack your bags and wave goodbye, there's one crucial step you must complete: applying for a UK study visa. Step 1. Determine your visa type. If you plan to study a short course and will stay in the UK for less than 6 months, a standard visitor visa will suffice. However, for longer courses, you'll need a Tier 4 student visa. This type is further divided into 2 categories: the general student visa for those 16 and older, and the child student visa for those between 4 and 17 years old. Step 2. Get your confirmation of acceptance for studies, CAS. Once you've been accepted into a UK institution, you will receive a CAS from your school. This unique reference number is essential for your visa application. It confirms that you have an unconditional offer of a place on a course from a licensed student sponsor. Step 3. Prepare your supporting documents. This includes your passport, proof of financial support, a recent photograph, and your tuberculosis test results if you're from a country where this is required. You may also need to provide evidence of your English language proficiency, such as a secure English language test. Step 4. Complete the online application form. You'll need to fill out your form on the official UK government website. Pay attention to detail and ensure all your information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Pay the visa fee and healthcare surcharge. The visa application fee varies depending on the duration of your studies, and you will also need to pay a healthcare surcharge to access the National Health Service during your stay. Step 6. Schedule and attend your visa interview. At this stage, you will need to provide your fingerprints and photograph at a visa application center. Be prepared to answer questions about your study plans, financial status, and reasons for choosing the UK. Finally, wait for your visa decision. The processing time can vary, but it typically takes about 3 weeks. During peak application times, it might take longer, so apply as early as possible. In summary, obtaining a UK study visa involves determining the correct visa type, securing a CAS from your educational institution, gathering necessary documents, completing an online application, paying required fees, attending an interview, and patiently awaiting the decision. Each step is crucial to ensure a successful application, paving your way to an enriching educational experience in the United Kingdom. So, stay diligent, prepare thoroughly, and your UK study adventure awaits.